Yellowstone National Park, a serene wonder, conceals a massive supervolcano deep underground, capable of global impact.
Mom, the ground just shook! Is that an earthquake?
Elena, the sensors are spiking. Increase seismic activity.
Everyone, please move quickly to the buses. We need to evacuate now.
Dad, is the volcano really going to erupt?
This is getting serious. Everyone hold on tight.
For incredulity, the supervolcano erupts with force equivalent to thousands of atomic.
That ash plume is enormous. It's already blocking out the sun.
Toxic ash devastates local ecosystems, poisoning water sources and smothering wildlife.
Oh. Will the world ever recover from this? This could induce a volcanic winter, cooling the planet for years.